Hello students, welcome back to Science Online Classes. I am Jafar Basha, your science teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we studied about that budding, which I take an example of hydra, how the budding takes place in the hydra, how the buds grow and how the individual will form and separate into the parents. After that one we also studied about that regeneration, how the regeneration takes place in planaria, how the body will cut into different pieces and how the pieces will develop the remaining parts of the body and lead an individual life. After this too, we are going to study about the another type of reproduction which is called as vegetative propagation. The vegetative propagation is nothing but the plants. This method of reproduction will take place in plants because the vegetative parts are present in the plant body such as root, stem and leaf. So these vegetative parts will help to grow an individual. Understand? So these vegetative parts will help to grow the new individuals and these individuals will separate from the parent plant and grow an individual life. So that's why this vegetative propagation is very important to grow the individuals such as sugarcane, roses, grapes. So these are the type of crops are growing for the agriculture purposes. And the banana, rose, orange, jasmine. So these are the types of crops we are growing because they are not having any seeds. They are not producing the seeds. So without seeds also we can grow the plants with the help of vegetative parts in the method of vegetative reproduction. Understood? So not only that one but also where there is one more very important points are there to grow the crops by vegetative propagation is the individuals which are growing by this method, so they are genetically identical. They are genetically similar to the parent plant. So let me see how the vegetative propagation will take place in plants. Okay, as I told you, in the vegetative propagation, new plants are produced from different vegetative parts such as leaves, stems, buds and roots. Let's take an example. The stem of a rose plant will cut and buried into the moist soil. Water that continuously. You can see after a few days, this stem will grow into a new individual plant. So take this another example also, money plant. So this one also grow an individual plant when we are keep into a transparent bottle in the water. Take another example, sprouting of a potato plant. So the potato having their sprouts, which is called as scars, are the eyes of the potato. When we are cut this potato into number of pieces, but each piece consists of this scar or eye. When these eyes will buried into the moist soil and we continuously water into that one, after few days it will give rise to a stem, leaves and fruits. So another best example of the leaves of the bryophyllum. The birds will grow a new plant. When it will fall down into the moist soil, it will grow into a new plant. See, the new plants will growing. So it is a best example for vegetative propagation by leaves. The next type of reproduction is spore formation. It is genetically noticed in simple rhizopus in nothing but a bread mold. When bread mold is kept under moist cool conditions, after 2 days we can notice fungi with thread-like structures called hyphae are developed on the bread mold. Hyphae are not reproductive parts but a bulb on a stick like structures which are called as sporangia or the reproductive cells. It consists of spores which can develop into new rhizopus individuals. These spores are covered by thick a wall which protects them in unfavorable conditions until they come to moist condition. See, we can see easily how a bread mold will grow into the moist bread, and the spores are produced in sporangia. When it ruptures, it will open and the spores will fall down. So this is a structure of rhizopus. The rhizopus, as you saw in the video, the rhizopus is growing in the moist bread where that one moisture and food will get there. So this rhizopus is having a cylindrical structure in which a bulb-like structure is placed. So this bulb-like structure is called as the sporangia, in which the reproductive gametes are present, which are called as the spores. When it ruptures, the spores will come out. So these spores, when they are fall into the other moist places on the bread, so these spores again give rise to a new rhizopus on the bread. So this is the method of reproduction, which is called as spore formation. Through the spores, the new individuals will grow. So this is all about that one. The another two methods of vegetative propagation and spore formation. Till today, what we have studied the type of reproduction, different types, they are all belongs to the asexual reproduction. Then what is this asexual reproduction? In the previous classes only I informed you, the asexual reproduction means the reproduction will take place with a single parent. Here there are no record of male and female. With the single parent, so they are give rise to a new individuals in different ways, such as fission, binary fission, multiple fission, then regeneration, fragmentation, then budding, asexual vegetative propagation, and at last spore formation. So after this one, we have to go and study about that the another main type of reproduction, which is called as sexual reproduction. So how the sexual reproduction takes place, what are the requirements are there. So these are all things we will study in our next class. Hope you understand. Thank you, Nida.